Do you have the hotel address?
Yes, it's right here. It's right here. Taxi. Oh,
Great, let's wave at him.
Where to?
To the Grand Hotel, please.
Okay, hop in.
Do you use the meter?
Yes, sure.
Could you please open the trunk?
It's open. Let me help you with that.
Thanks. This bag is a bit heavy. How long does it take to get to the hotel?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
I hope we arrive soon. I'm tired.
Don't worry, we are almost there.
Here we are. That will be $25.
Here is $30. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Wow. Look at this lobby. It's so fancy.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Much better than the photos.
The reception desk is over there. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Hello. We would like to check in, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Jack Miller.
Okay, Mr. Miller. Can I see your passports, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Just a moment while I find your booking. Please sign here at the bottom. Huh?
Okay, done.
Here is your key card. Room 402.
Thanks. Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the card.
Here is the elevator.
Great! We need the 4th floor.
Wow, this room is really nice and clean.
Yeah, and look, we have a great view.
Look, there are plenty of clean towels and free soap.
Perfect. I'm starving. Is there a restaurant here?
Yes, I saw a nice one in the lobby. Let's go down. Good evening.
A table for 2, please.
Certainly. Follow me.
Here are your menus.
Thank you.
I'll be back shortly to take your order.
Everything looks delicious. What are you gonna have?
I think I'll have the cheeseburger.
Good choice. I want the Caesar salad. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the cheeseburger, please.
And I'll have the Caesar salad.
Anything to drink?
Just water for me, please.
I'll have an orange juice. Here is your burger and the salad. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, it looks delicious. Thank you so much.
This burger is really tasty.
I'm glad. My salad is fresh and delicious too.
Excuse me? Yes, sir? Can we have the check, please? Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, of course. Just tap here.
I am so full. That was a great meal.
Yeah, I'm really tired now.
Let's go to bed. We have a busy day tomorrow.
Good idea. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby. The bed was so comfortable.
Me too. Let's go get some breakfast.
Excuse me, where is breakfast served?
It's in the dining hall, just over there.
And what time does it end?
It is served until 10 a.m.
Look at all this food. I'm gonna get some scrambled eggs.
Nice choice. I'll grab some toast and a black coffee.
Hello, reception. I have a problem in room 402.
How can I help you, sir?
There is no hot water in the shower. It's freezing.
Hello, maintenance. I'm here to fix the shower.
Thanks for coming so quickly. No problem. It will take about 10 minutes.
Excuse me, could you please make up our room?
Certainly, ma'am. I'll do it right now.
Can we have some extra shampoo too?
Of course.
We want to go to the city center.
It's right here on the map.
Great. Can you call a taxi for us?
Certainly, sir. It will be here in 5 minutes.
Your taxi is ready, sir. Watch your head.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day in the city.
I'm so tired, but that was fun.
Yeah,
Let's go to the room and drop these bags.
I need to rest for a bit.
My feet hurt from walking. Let's go to the swimming pool. It will be relaxing.
Good idea. I'll grab my swimsuit. Does the water look clean?
Yes, it's crystal clear.
Is it cold?
No, it's warm. It's a heated pool.
This fresh juice is so delicious.
Yeah, it is very refreshing.
I am so relaxed now. This hotel is amazing.
Oh no, I have no clean shirts left for dinner.
Don't worry. This hotel has a laundry service.
Really? That's great.
Here is the laundry bag. It was in the closet.
Great. Let me check the price list first.
Is it expensive?
No, it looks reasonable.
I want this shirt washed and ironed.
Okay.
Please add my jeans to the list too. Sure, I will mark them now.
Hello, housekeeping? We have laundry for pickup.
Sure, we will send someone up.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Did you call for laundry pickup?
Yes. Here is the bag. When will it be ready?
Tomorrow morning by 9 a.m.
Let's order room service. We don't need to go out.
Good idea. Look, they have club sandwiches.
Perfect, I'll call them.
Room service, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order one club sandwich, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a soda, please. Here is your room service order, sir.
Thank you. It looks great.
Please sign the bill here. Sure, here you go.
It is so nice and quiet in here.
Yeah, sometimes room service is better than a noisy restaurant.
I agree. And this sandwich is delicious. Look, there are chocolates in the minibar.
Wait, check the price list first. Wow, $10 for a candy bar? That's too expensive.
Yeah, put it back. We can buy it cheaper outside.
Hello, reception. Could I have a wake-up call for tomorrow morning?
Certainly. What time, sir?
At 6:30 a.m., please. We have an early flight.
Noted. Good night.
We need to hurry. We are almost done packing.
Did you check the drawers? Don't forget the chargers.
Yes, I have everything. Let's close the bags.
Good morning. How was your stay? It was excellent, thank you. We would like to check out. Sure. Do you have the room keys? Yes, here they are. Wait, there is a mistake on the bill. What seems to be the problem? We were charged for the gym, but we didn't use it. Oh, I apologize. I will remove that charge immediately.
That looks correct now. Here is my card. Thank you. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
We have a few hours before our flight.
Can we leave our bags here for a while?
Certainly. I will store them for you.
Here is your claim check, sir.
Thank you.
Please keep it safe. You need it to get your bags back.
Okay, I'll put it in my wallet.
We have plenty of time before the taxi comes.
Yeah. Let's just relax and have some coffee.
I might get a slice of cake, too.
What can I get for you?
I'll have a hot cappuccino, please.
And an iced latte and a slice of cheesecake for me.
Coming right up.
Oh, no. Where is it?
What's wrong?
I can't find my phone. It's not in my pocket.
Excuse me, I think I lost my phone in the lobby.
Oh, dear. Has anyone turned it in?
I don't know, can you please check?
Let me look in the lost and found box.
Is this the phone?
Yes, that's mine. Thank goodness.
Oh, what a relief.
Thank you so much. You saved the day. We are ready to go now. Yeah? Here is our claim check. Thank you, sir. I'll bring your bags right away.
The taxi is here. We are heading to the airport.
Goodbye. It was a wonderful stay.
See you next time.